Hi, these are the top 5 stocks with blockchain technology for you to check out and see if it's great for your portfolio. So, with the popularity of Bitcoins and crypto technology, I'm looking at some stocks that has blockchain technology because I want my stocks to benefit from this exciting cryptocurrency that's just taking off like rapid fire. So one of the stocks that I'm looking at, and if you want to investigate for yourself, is Nvidia. You've probably heard in the news from the stock financial analysts that look at stocks. It's been in the news lately. NVIDIA, Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA, and they are a leading manufacturer of graphic processing units, which are called GPUs. And GPUs are essential components that do artificial intelligence, autonomous vehicles, and gaming. And they're also, GPUs are the hardware components of cryptocurrency mining. You've probably heard of cryptocurrency mining. And so the mining and miners use GPUs, which is the hardware, to process transactions on blockchain, and then they get a newly minted digital coin. So that could, as cryptocurrency prices go higher, they could be a beneficiary for their stock with earnings. So do check a look at the NVIDIA and consult with your licensed financial broker and make your wise decision there. So I'm interested in things with blockchain technology. Square is very interesting. Square, most of you probably have used it because they have the Cash App. I know you guys all have the Cash App, especially our millennials and our college students, and it's very popular. So Square, ticker symbol SQ. So they do payment processing for small business, and it has a Cash App. So the reason why I'm looking at this one is because it allows users to buy and sell Bitcoins. You can sell them easily and quickly, and they have over 500 million in Bitcoin sales, last noted around the 2019. So if in 2019 they have 500 million in Bitcoin sales, what's it going to do in a couple years as the popularity of cryptocurrency and a cashless society that we're just going towards? And it also has its own team of Bitcoin developers known as Square Crypto, which is very exciting, and I really like that. So check out the Square. IBM. People have heard of IBM. It's been around for a while. It's like a steady Betty or stable Able. It's, it's just plugging along, and then it acquired Red Hat. So they have a lot of cross-selling opportunities. And the blockchain, they have provided transformative solutions for clients. It's a ticket authentication company, so True Tickets. And that's one of their clients, True Tickets and Kroger's. So with the growth of runway blockchains, so the more transaction, it can gain a lot of transactions in the future. So IBM blockchain is focused on helping customers have dependable supply, especially during this pandemic year, which has just been disrupting so many people's lives. And we hope that we can find a healthy and happy solution so we can all get back to work and just feel safe again and be healthy. All right, so let's go to MasterCard. Some of you might have MasterCard. It's the processing a payment giant. So it also, as we go towards a cashless society, they have blockchain technology to which can help through cross-border money transfer. So that's basically the cross-border money transfers. And MasterCard, which I like, why I'm interested in looking at the MasterCard stock a little further, is they announced a partnership with R3, which is a blockchain technology company, to develop a cross-border payment system. So that could give them a major competitive advantage as the popularity of cryptocurrency sending money internationally. So do check out that if you like. Let's see. This is one I'm going to tell you. You may have heard of it or you may not have heard of it. The CME Group. CME. So it's one of the world's largest futures and option exchanges. So they offer derivatives securities for stocks, indexes, foreign exchange, and more. And CME stands for the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, and they make money from the fees and for clearing trades, and so that's how they make their money, which, you know, some people are thinking that since it makes it also the only exchange, so the only exchange that creates a market for Bitcoin future contracts. So do check that out. That could be really interesting. So as Bitcoin soars in popularity, and it's the only exchange that, you know, allows you to market for Bitcoin futures contracts, can be very, very interesting, and the company gets that small fee for the transaction. And as cryptocurrency prices rise, then they can definitely add a nice profit to their company in the future. Okay, so DocuSign. Some of you have used DocuSign, especially in the pandemic. Lawyers use it, real estate agent uses it, talent managers use it, talent agents use it. Pretty much everyone in business uses DocuSign at this point. It saves paper, and they also they use blockchain technology for its business. They also allow customers to record their agreements with Ethereum blockchain. So Ethereum is one of the Bitcoins that I told you about. ETHEREUM. Ethereum blockchain. So they're very excited about that for, you know, especially if you're a customer, you need to record your agreements on your Bitcoin. So look at the DocuSign, ticker symbol DOCU. And then Amazon. A lot of you are shopping on Amazon. You're a Prime member. You're getting the free delivery. And did you also know Amazon? It is the world's largest e-commerce platform, and their earnings last week just smashed it, and their stock went up again. So they are $1 trillion company. It's one of the FANG stocks, and they're just taking a bite out of the market and just performing exceptionally well. So they have the leading cloud infrastructure called Amazon Web Services. A lot of you don't know about that, but the cloud is huge stuff in this technology future. So Amazon Web Services, called AWS, and they offer Amazon managed blockchain. So what does that mean? So customers can create and manage their blockchain network. So that's exciting. So and it makes, right now, blockchain is not a huge part of Amazon's revenue, but in the future, as blockchain and cryptocurrencies and the technologies increase and we go into cashless society, that could be really interesting play to see why you might like the Amazon. So I hope this is helpful. You know, do check out Bitcoin, do learn about the cryptocurrency, the blockchain, understand it and how it's affecting stocks and companies, and see what might be right for you. But always consult your licensed financial broker. Check out some of our links below. I have lots of savings for y'all, from college students to babies to pets. We have like flea medicine, and if you need any savings, I get all kind of savings from all kind of sponsors and investors and just companies that want to share that savings along to you. And then you can get a free stock from Robinhood. Just use the link below. You can get a free stock from Webull sign below, and Webull will give you a second bonus stock if you put $100 in your account. You don't have to buy anything from both of these, Robinhood or Webull. You just have to sign up and they will reward you. There's a lot of stockbrokers that online that give you rewards, but you have to have like 25,000 or 10,000 to give you some cash. So I know we're beginners, so those, you know, just test out a little stock, free stock, see it, hold it for a year and see what happens. Or try the buttons like, oh, I'm gonna sell my stock, I'm gonna buy my stock. You can just practice with that free stock. So it will cost you nothing, or just see how it grows and just see if you like it. And it's just something exciting. And you know, and once you sign up, then you can give your link to other people, and when they sign up, that you'll get a free stock as well. And I also get a free stock if you use my link. So I really appreciate you supporting me and our team. And thank you for making us a top podcast. And thank you for listening, and have a really great day. And let's save and become moguls. So let's get rich.